To make alcohol from common table sugar, you'll need a carboy, an airlock, a pot, yeast, sugar, and water. Before you get started, sanitize all of your equipment so bacteria doesn't ruin your batch. Then, measure out 1 1/4 cup, 0.25 kilograms of granulated sugar for every 1 quart, 1 liter of water you want to use for your alcohol. The more water and sugar you use, the more alcohol you'll make. Fill the pot with your desired amount of distilled water. Then, heat the water on a stovetop until it's hot. Gradually add the sugar to the water, stirring continuously until it's all dissolved. Next, take the sugar water off of the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Funnel the sugar water into the carboy. Now, prepare the yeast by mixing it with warm water, per the instructions on the packet. Use 1 packet of yeast for every 2 quarts, 2 liters of water you're using. Funnel the activated yeast into the carboy and stir everything thoroughly. Secure the carboy with your airlock. The airlock will allow CO2 to escape from the carboy while preventing oxygen from getting in and disrupting the fermentation process. Finally, store the carboy in a dark, cool place for about 1 to 2 weeks. You'll know the fermentation process is finished when you no longer see movement inside of the airlock, meaning no more CO2 is being emitted. If your alcohol is cloudy, you can add a clarifying agent to clear away the suspended yeast. Siphon or pour your alcohol into a sanitized glass container for storage, leaving behind any sediment.